Hi everyone! Another week of
Hi.
phonics, and this week our target continues to be the long I spelled I-E. And so every time you see the I-E, it's going to say I. What's it going to say?
Hi.
I, thank you. And we have two lines that we're working with today, three lines, sorry, and a sentence. Here we go, let's get started. Let's try our sound by sound as I point and say. Here we go, sound.
Flies. Oh, sorry. Full.
Let's try that again, Ms. Kim. 3, 2, 1. Sound.
Full. Eyes.
Fly.
Flies.
Good.
Eyes. Sky.
Very nice. Next word.
Eyes.
Spy.
Skies.
Very nice. Last word on the line.
Eyes.
Tries.
Bye. Thank you. And take a moment to look at the words in line 1 and try to figure out what pattern or family we're working with here in line 1. Thumb to your chest. As soon as you've figured out what the pattern or what the family we're working with here. And I see Miss Kim is ready, Miss Yakimowicz is ready, and Miss T is ready. Okay, Miss T, can you let us know what is the pattern that you notice in line 1?
I tried really hard today to not make a mistake, and I'm pretty sure it's I-E-S.
I-E-S, I-E-S, let's see. Yes, we have the I-E-S pattern, or family repeating each other in this whole entire line. Let's go ahead and read that back with fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Flies.
Skies.
Spies.
And
Flies.
nailed it. Let's go ahead and jump into line 2. Line 2. And we're going to go ahead and do sound by sound on that again. Ready? 3, 2, 1, sound. Sound. Sound.
Hide.
Nice one. Sound.
Full.
Sound.
I.
Sound.
Lied.
Nailed it. Next word.
D. I. D. Died.
Last word on the line. Ready?
I.
Spied.
Right, very nicely done. Go ahead and read this back to me. 3, 2, 1.
Tied.
Lied,
Tied.
and
Spied.
take a moment to look at the line one more time. I want you to think about it. Boys and girls, if you would like some more think time, go ahead and pause it. I know I go really fast on this. And think about the pattern or family that you see there. Thumb to your chest as soon as you're ready. And Miss Yakimowicz, looking back at line 2, tied, lied, died, and spied. What family do you notice?
I noticed the IED, I'd family.
I'd is correct. That is the family we're working on line 2. And let's go ahead and now take a look at line 3. We're not going to blend sound by sound. What I'm going to ask you to do is think about the words, and all these words have 2 syllables. Okay, so if there's anything that you need to know, I'll let you know ahead of time. And here is the split on the first word. Ready? Read it back to me. 3, 2, 1.
Magpie.
Very nicely done. Take a look at the split on the syllables on that one. 3, 2, 1.
Pot
Pie.
pie.
Pie is your word there. Take a look at that split on that third word. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Pen
And
fry.
I am going to let you know here it's an open vowel syllable. This E is going to say its name. So when you see this E, it's going to say its name because of the way the word is split. So ready? 3, 2, 1.
Refries.
Refries. Very good. So we have magpie, pot pie, pan fries, refries. Take a moment to think about the words in line 3. And again, children, if you would like to take a moment to think about it even more, you can hit pause, come back to me when you're ready, and think about the pattern that you see or the family that you see repeated there. Okay? Thumb to your chest as soon as you notice what the family is that we're working with in line 3. And remember, in my class, I do accept 2 possible answers. All right, let's go, Miss Kim.
I-E.
I-E, very good. So we see I-E in the first, I-E in the second, I-E in the third, I-E in the fourth. And earlier I mentioned that I accept 2 possible answers. You could have told me the first 2 words have I-E patterns and the last 2 words have, first 2 words have P-I-E patterns, and then the last 2 words have R-I-E-S patterns. So you could have split it up that way.
Or even F-R-I-E-S.
Ooh, yes, Miss Kim, call me out.
Redeemed
Rise and
from
fly,
yesterday.
Yeah.
Another thing you could have highlighted here is on line 3, all of them are 2-syllable count words. So that's another pattern you could have picked up on. Take a moment to look at the sentence below. Read that in your head. And remember, this time we're not going to have a thumb to our chest. What I'm looking for is the number of words that have the long I spelled I-E. So you're going to hold a number up with your hand, letting me know how many words did you find that have the long I spelled I-E. Take a moment to think about it. You can pause and check before the teachers give you the answer.
Sorry.
And I love it. Let's go with Miss Kim on this one. What words did you identify that have the long I spelled I-E?
Spies,
Spies,
flies,
flies,
magpies,
magpies.
skies.
Yes, you got it. So we have spies, flies, and magpies. Now that we know that these are the 4 words that have the long I, you won't make mistakes as you're trying to read that back to Ms. Rosales. Ready? 3. Remember, look at the end punctuation. It is a question mark, so watch your voice. 3, 2, 1.
Why did the
Flies
spies see
Flies and
and
magpies in the sky.
In the
And for
sky.
fluidity's sake, can I have Ms. Yakimowicz just read it to herself out loud?
Sure. Why did the spies see flies and magpies in the skies?
And Ms. T, because you've become our scooping girl here, can you scoop that out for us?
Why did the spies see flies and magpies in the skies?
Excellent, excellent work. Thank you so much. Now we're going to change gears. We are no longer decoding. What our task now is encoding. And encoding means that you are spelling. So please take out a piece of paper, take out a pen or a pencil, whiteboard if you have it, and get yourselves ready. Do I see your writing utensil ready to go? Put it up in there. Awesome sauce. Here we go. And just like before, we have 3 columns here. The first column is the easiest, and then we start getting into more challenging words near the end, okay? And then we have a sentence that will work into it at the end. Boys and girls, at this moment, if you have your tablet or iPad or an electronic device, you can jump into Seesaw and start recording your work there. Remember, hit record before you start writing so we can see all the work that you do. Hit pause and upload afterwards. Thank you so much. And here we go. We're going to start with the first word. I'm not going to write the answers. You're going to do that for me, teachers. Ready? The first word is lie. What's the word? Lie. Ooh, I, lie. Ooh, I, lie. Next word. The word is pie. What's the word?
Pie.
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 I, pie. P, I, pie. Excellent. Next word. The word is tie. What's the word?
Tie.
I, tie. T, I, tie. Okay, great job. Next set. Here we go. Watch it. 2 consonants and 1 consonant in the back. The word is flies. What's the word?
Flies.
Ooh, eyes. Ooh, eyes. Go ahead and bring it down. Flies. Next word. The word is spies. What's the word?
Spies.
Spies.
Eyes. 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 Excellent. Bring it down. Last word on this column. The word is dries. What's the word?
Dry.
Dries.
Dry.
D, r, eyes. D, r, eyes. Dries. Very nice, very nice. Bring it down. Here we go. Challenging words. Notice that we have 2-syllable count words. Top word. The word is pot pie. Here we go. P, a, t, p, I. Pot pie. P, a, t, p, I. Pot pie. Great. Bring it down. Last word on the set. The word is magpie. What's the word?
Magpie.
Ag. Mag. P. I. Magpie. Ag. Mag. P. I. Magpie. Very nice. Bring it down. At this moment, I want you to take some time to pause. If you still need the scaffolds, copy the set of words and the blanks that you will need to fill out that sentence. If you feel like you're up for the challenge, you don't need any scaffolding, you don't need any help, you can just listen to me and write along with me as I say it. Thumb to your chest if you are ready with this part, or boys and girls, if you would like some time, you can hit pause and take a moment to copy this down and then hit unpause and get started with us. Great job. Here we go. Sentence. The spies, spies, ate a pot pie, pot, pie, pot pie with fries, fries. The spies ate a pot pie with fries. Great. Bring it down. And for those of you who are finished, you can go back and check your work. I'm putting in the answers to those words. And if you were following along with the teachers were giving the answers out and helping you on your journey to understanding how to encode the words that have the long I spelled I-E. So let me just finish this piece right here. Ate a pot pie with fries. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to hit subscribe down below. Thank you, thank you. Bye.